In this video, we're gonna see top 5 websites to make free Bitcoin online. Watch till end. Without any further ado, the first website we're gonna use to make a free Bitcoin is called latinum.org. This is kind of freelancing website, but the one benefit is it pay in Bitcoin. The biggest benefit of Bitcoin, if you get a Bitcoin, if you hold a Bitcoin, it will rise in price. Then your value of a job or value of a product will also rise. For example, if you get a 1 BTC in for a work, if you get the $40,000, this is the current rate of Bitcoin. If you hold for a month or 2 months, it will rise almost 50,000. Or if you hold for a year, it almost rise to a 100k. Easily you can multiply your income by just holding a Bitcoin and making a Bitcoin right now. You need a little bit of work, just like a translating job. I already posted a video about it, how you can make with just a copy and paste. If you don't watch it, go and watch that video and copy that strategy and apply to this Latin market. On this video, I showed 5 websites for example, but you can use Latinum website instead of 5 website to make a BTC, because BTC is the future and this is a simple work, and this is how it's work. Just post a project or select a freelancer. For freelancing, click how it work as a freelancer. Complete a job and earn more. As a Latino freelancer, you have the ability to highlight your skill, complete project and earn numerous currency. It's not only give you a Bitcoin, you can get lots of currency, Ethereum. I show the what's currency this website offer. It's simple guys, just click a browse feature and complete a job and you can make good amount of money BTC and hold the BTC and make good amount of money. And this is the coin they offer you for money or the last price, Bitcoin gold, basic attention, noti dent, Bitcoin, USD dollar, again. If you don't want to get in Bitcoin, you can get also in a USD dollar, because it's a fixed rate. It's only problem when you start at, and Bitcoin is always rising price. You can see there is almost 56,000. Whereas last time I see Bitcoin price was 40,000. Increasing daily. You can make profit daily by just doing one job. Once you get paid in one job, you can get daily income by just rising pricing Bitcoin. A simple app and you can get paid by just doing simple tasks. Come out to latinum.org and click how it's work and click work as a freelancer and go all the way down and click work as a freelancer. So automatically take you to this sign up page where you can put your email, click I'm not robot, click sign up, put a password and put some basic information and you can go to go. Once you verify email and you can take the job and complete the job and get a BTC for you. And if you want to get a BTC for you, we need a wallet address. For that, the second website we're gonna use is called Coinbase. Coinbase is the best wallet address, but how many people know you can make money on Coinbase? Coinbase offers some of the things you can make money. Show how you can make money. Come out to coinbase.com. If you want to earn money, scroll down and click start earning. This is the page you can earn money by just watching a simple video about some of the new crypto coins and you can get paid. Earn $3, and $3 worth of discount on $6, on $9, on $10. Some is going like on $3, on $6, on $6. This is will unlock once you complete those three videos, and you can convert this coin into Bitcoin, and you can hold the Bitcoin or hold the Ethereum. Ethereum is a good cryptocurrency. Hold the Bitcoin, and you can get paid easily by just rising price in Bitcoin. There's lots of cash videos available. You almost earn $100 in just 2 hours of matter of time. It's a simple way to make money, and also you can get your Bitcoin validators for receiving the Bitcoin from all those websites I shown in the video. So watch till end and find out the other website, coming website or easy website, and you can make some good amount of money websites. So watch till end. For the sake of video, just create a Bitcoin account, Canvas account. Watch the third website we're gonna use is called coinplay.com. One of the best mining website. You can easily get mined because it's trusted world by 1.7 million users. Just put your email and you can make money. There is lots of this is how it's work. Click sign up, play multiple offers, complete tasks, watch videos, and you can get Bitcoin. It's not like any mining survey. You can get your Bitcoin just doing simple tasks. You can do it over and over again. The best part is it's available worldwide. Doesn't matter wherever you're from, you can do it wherever you want. And this is the what is Bitcoin forms. Simple app, guys. You can easily install this app on the Google Play Store. By the way, it's only available on Android. It's not available on Apple App Store yet. So you need an Android phone for this work, or you can do it on your browser, and you can good to go. There's almost 200 Bitcoin earned so far. And this is the app look like, how it's going to work in a Play Store. Simple app, like I said before, it's got almost a 4.5. I know 4.5 is the highest rating in a Play Store because lots of people in Play Store are negative feedback only. So it's got almost a 4.5. It's a good feedback, it's a simple way. Easily you can get paid pointably. And the third website is called Future Point. Future Points paying in Bitcoin. Did you know this? Future Points paying in Bitcoin. You can make money by just watching videos, completing survey, and free cash, contacts, and download app and games. You can download free games and apps, and you can get paid in Bitcoin. Easily you can make money, and this is a simple way. I will show. You can put your email, and you can get to it. There is also app available in App Store and Google Play Store. You can install those apps on your phone, and you can do it on your phone without coming to this browser. This is the Apple App Store. How it look like I said, a very simple app, and you got 4.3 rating out of 5. And this is the Play Store app look like. It almost 4. The good app way to make money, and you can make a Bitcoin. This is how it look like. Bitcoin, once you get a 6,000 points, you can get a 10 USD Bitcoin. Just click sign up. Last but not least is called Timebucks. So one of my favorite ways to make money, because there is lots of ways you can make money using this. Just get paid to post on TikTok, view funny slides, so play games, install app, complete capture, post on Instagram, follow on Instagram, like on Facebook, answer survey. There is lots of way in Timebucks you can make money with, because Timebucks also pay in Bitcoin. There is also a referral program. You can join and you can refer your friend, and you can earn commission by your friend. Once your friend get paid, you can get paid. They pay weekly payout, and they pay everyone weekly with 5 different methods. One of the methods is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. You can get your Bitcoin in the coin Discord and you can hold a Bitcoin good to go. This is the video all about how to make free Bitcoin. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace out.